Kayaking is really tiring. Oh shit! Toilet. Okay. A lot of palm tree here. Hello.
Hi.
Now I am on the way to Sepang. I have booked a kayak trip. As you can see, I have my waterproof bag and this sweatshirt. I will change it in a while. I'm having long sleeve, long pants, a cap, and this waterproof phone holder. How are you feeling?
Nervous.
We have arrived. Mangrove kayaking. That direction. Let's go. You see? I think it can be open, right? Ta-da. Wow. Look at the walkway. The walkway is shaky a little bit. Oh, what is that? Ayo.
What is that?
So this is the toilet, and the view here is so pretty. With the painting. There are the girls there. My auntie, you see, look so happy. These two non-stop taking photo. And then Mac.
One more, please.
That's our kayak.
I'll be your guide for today. First thing first, bila you dapat you punya pedal, what you do, tolong letak atas kepala, buka sikit macam tu. Tak apa orang belakang ambil bau ketiak sikit, tak apa.
Okay.
Okay?
Ketiak saya bau wangi, daun pandan.
Daun pandan.
Siapa nak turun dulu?
Saya dulu.
Mac dulu. Bagus.
Grab sebelah sini. Slide in depan.
Oh.
Macam tu. Okay. Okay. Baru masuk ni. Tengok sikit, senyum.
Tak payah. Fokus. Okay.
Okay? Senyum. Nah, sekali ke sini. Mangrove ni ada 3 jenis, tapi dekat sini cuma ada 2 group saja. Red dengan black.
Like serious. Like I have to number rock here. See? Okay, 你们有什么感想? Is it easy?
It's not easy, but it's worth it. Easy, very easy.
So is it hard to work together?
No. At first, yes, but then we get used to it.
Is it a good spot for team building?
Yeah, good. Yes.
Yeah. Is it fun? Alright.
Oh my God.
Oh, accident.
Accident.
Ni tak ada break.
Apa break? Ini lesen L.
Lesen lembu. Splash. Oh, I'm resting my arm right now. I'm so tired. Oh gosh. Kayaking is really tiring. Got no strength to move my arm already. Wow, this is fun. Uh-oh. Oh shit.
Tengok ni Amoy sengit.
Hello. Tada! Oh, so nice.
这个是什么？是
Veggie.
veggie.
Yes.
This is chicken.
Ada kau yang ada cawan, ada air, tak ada air.
Air. Oh, dah sampai sini gelap-gelap.
Nice. Let's see the toilet. Okay. My auntie is in the toilet, the shower. Oh, not bad. The idea. And here you can actually book to sleep here, stay one night if you want. Quite cozy. Finally, it's end of the day. I had a refreshing shower just now. Now we are heading out, going back. It was fun. The paddling, it used a lot of upper body strength and my back muscle because I can feel some aches. Oh, you see there? The monkey. Sad to say goodbye, but you have to go back. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.